people that I have issues with are these brain dead black folks like Sheorinyi Buruni. Because you become a project manager in England, you become a business analyst, you taste a bit of accumulation of the forex, pound sterling, you lose your goddamn mind. Some of you, you look at your own bloodline where you emanated from in Nigeria. You were living in Surulere, you were living in Ogun State, you were living in Lagos, you were living in Ibadan. You grew up in Osun State, you came from Elisha, you came from Abeokuta. You didn't die, but you migrated to England. Now, you so much want to be white. It's unbelievable. You are at the forefront of talking trash about where you emanated from. You got a bit of savings. You intentionally and deliberately, you raise your own children with disregard for their own lineage, for their own background, speaking your mother tongue in your homes or letting your children understand Yoruba language or Igbo language. You believe it's a disgusting thing. You so much. Yes, you're British by papers, by documents, but you emanated from Africa. Whichever way you look at it, we are tenants here in England. We are tenants in America. Look at our African American brothers and sisters, for example. Generations of them through slavery and oppression for donkey years in the United States. Look at the treatments they are facing till date. It's all intentional. It's all planned. Despicable, blatant disregard for black excellence. Every arms of governmental department, there's ill treatment. It's all intentional. There's a template of destruction in place, rejection, glass and metallic ceiling. It's actually heartbreaking. Nigerians in Nigeria, right, actually making applications to Ukraine embassy, to Russian embassy, putting themselves forward. You want to go and fight in their wars, like, so that you can get their citizenship. Man, what happened to us as black folks, man? Like, what happened? What is wrong? What does your black life mean to you? Like, you want to go fight in their wars. Man, so you can get what? Ukrainian or Russian passports. Like, this is not even a joke. This is not a prank. Like, our men, they're going in droves. It's heartbreaking. It's just more than heartbreaking. You see, the more you look at this situation, right? I weep, and I'm actually, I've never said this before, but I worry about the future of the black race. We are all that we've got, but I worry about the future, man. I worry about the future. We are so disorganized. We're disjointed. There is not an ounce of unity amongst us. I worry about the future of the black race, Africans. I'm telling you, man. It's the supremacist agenda. It's been enshrined, embossed. It's been deeply engraved into people's subconscious. That's why I'm telling you, man, you might be friends with some of these people that don't look like you. You think you've known them for years, even here in the West. Oh, such and such is. Wait till serious situations like this come up. The mask will come off. You see them for who they truly are. We are being tolerated. We're being tolerated. Look, if you leave, let's cut the crap, man. If you leave in the West like I do, right? You are in the UK, you are in the US. Please understand, we are being tolerated. The UK and all these countries, they need us for the upscaling of their GDP and, to keep the system going. We're not really wanted in these systems. This is why I have issues with people that put so much effort into suppressing their identity, suppressing who they are, and you are always tap dancing. You constantly want to please your oppressors, man. We are the prime beings. Life started from Africa. They hijacked the narrative for global fraudulent misrepresentation, and it's been on for generations. Life started bang in Africa, right? But Black folks are being projected as these people that look like me, the racial pyramid, right, must be at the bottom end of the spectrum. There is disdain for us. It's a global disdain, internalized resentment, hatred. We are the prime beings. This is Black excellence. This is what they despise. This is what they resent. This is Black excellence. We are the prime beings. Let's leave all of that on the shelf for a minute. But amongst ourselves, we are disjointed. We have blatant disregard for ourselves.